Ninth class, Assalamu alaikum. In Pakistan Studies class, today we will discuss question number 5 of chapter number 2. How the Muslim League got success in general elections of 1945-46. Governor General called a conference at Shimla on 25th June 1945, in which he announced the formation of Executive Council of Governor General. But this conference was declared unsuccessful because it was not decided that which party will represent the Muslims. So, Lord Wavell announced elections in India. These elections were contested by both the important political parties of the subcontinent, but the aim was different. Congress contested these elections to keep the India united, while the Muslim League demanded Pakistan as a separate state for the Muslims. At this time, Quaid-e-Azam told the Muslims that if they want to protect their future, then they should vote to the Muslim League. The elections were held in December 1945 for the Central Legislature, whereas elections for the provincial assemblies were held in the beginning of 1946. In Central Assembly, 30 seats were reserved out of 100 for the Muslims, and all these 30 seats were won by the Muslim League. So, the Muslim League got 100% of Central Assembly seats. For provincial assemblies, Muslim League got 89% seats in all the provincial assemblies. There were 5 provincial assemblies in which 495 seats were reserved for the Muslims, and Muslim League won 439 seats. Muslim League got majority in all the provinces except Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These elections made true the claim of Quaid-e-Azam from the last decade that the Muslim League is the only representative party of the Muslims. Thank you.